Ijebu, my own state, in Ogun State. I was saying it yesterday on the broadcast that people put amala, rice, eba, moi moi, ikokore, they put everything together. And I wonder how they are going to eat that. I didn't realize that today I go see another video where a trailer don't fall. Spaghetti. I don't know whether na spaghetti, whether na guguru. I just know say that they pack that thing with the sand on the floor. And the same people tell them no break Nigeria so that they can eat proper food. They say, shut up. What do you know? Eh? They hear people. Funny people. Very funny people. The line is open if you want to call it. Number me, yeah. I don't have anything to say. I just turn my camera on, enjoy myself. I turn it off and I go to bed. Tomorrow is another day. And I think my wife is making food. When the food is ready, say, Daddy, Daddy, food is ready. Funny people. If you want call, the number is on the screen. Last. Now everybody go shop breakfast. Shy you. Yeah, they laugh. Yesterday, Bishop Adesina said you send 1 million naira to Benin Republic, they could give you 300,000 naira safer. Funny people. What do I know? I just enjoy myself for London. Eh? But Moki Ogbenyente advice you. Thank you so much. Koiki, just leave them. And let's be prayerful, please. I want us to keep praying. Okay? Ema eka fi àdúrà sílẹ̀. Eka túbọ̀ máa gbàdúrà dáadáa. Máa gbàdúrà dáadáa. The thing we go cast, go cast. The time we go cast is what we don't know. I pray it happen tonight, and I pray it happen before 2027. Seyi Makinde now won't become president. Hey, you go see Yoruba people now, they go to run around. Hey, Seyi Makinde, presido. As soon as Seyi Makinde gets there, he go to complain about problem. I watch a video. The guy say Concord to fin we, Concord bile, o ti di 100 naira. I don't know whether I should play that video, but I don't want any strike on my channel. I'll probably just leave it. If you want to watch anything, go on my Twitter and go and watch it on my Twitter. Funny country. Funny country. You go say me will fight. They go say no, we don't want fight though. How you go fight? But somebody go intimidate them. They go come on social media. La, low. Everybody go shout. Tomorrow they go forget her. And one person go use that opportunity to make money. Hey, I have interviewed the driver. This is the driver. The driver that was slapped. You know how many people that they slap every day? Go Oshodi. People that they slap every day. Slap people every day for Oju Elegba. For Yaba, that they slap everybody for Ekiti State, slap everybody. But those ones, they don't get phone to record. So imagine if everybody is bringing their video on the Twitter.